guys, welcome back to VClass. This is teacher Jackie and today we are going to talk about some powerful T's in YouTube. Mega loud shout out to our aspiring friends in YouTube. We have Board Up TV, Photogenetics, D Multimedia, Fun Toy,
Jamta Vibes,
and to all the aspiring YouTubers in Opal District, may it be from the East or from the West. Today I'm going to share with you some secrets of how we are going to grow our YouTube channel.
It's not actually a secret because some of them are actually being lectured in YouTube Academy.
So if you want to grow, you have to study some of the things that would be related to your channel and the growing up of your channel. I started blank, and so I had to study how to do about it so that somehow my channel would grow. And one of the things that I would consider to be very important is this letter T. It's not a timeout. So what are these T's that I am talking about? Let me begin with the 3 T's. And then I have some more T's at the end. 3 T's that I am talking about is title, thumbnail, and tagging. Let's begin with title. Title should be attractive and interesting, but it doesn't mean that you're going to have a title that is not related to your content. That is very important. The title should represent your content. Make your title clear because this will represent the video content that you have created. So for example, because I am focusing on video lessons, I choose to have a title that is representing my video content. For example, I am going to focus on the objectives of the lesson that I am sharing. But if you're going to have content like travels, places, so it's better that the keywords of your title will represent those places that you are presenting in the video. Thumbnail is another thing. Your thumbnail is the picture that will represent the video that you are sharing. So as important as the title, your thumbnail should also let your audience see what's inside. Because if your thumbnail is not actually reflecting what is on the inside, we can call it a clickbait, and that is not good. Now you might say that,
Well, YouTube is offering me the free thumbnail. When I upload the video, it will just come out automatically.
yes, but you don't have control of it. Thumbnail could be better and it's more interesting if you customize it. And there are many ways of customizing it. For example, you can use Photoshop, that is if you're good with it, but I don't actually use Photoshop because that takes me more time. So what I do is that when I edit my video, I screenshot the best part that will represent my video. Now, aside from the title and the thumbnail that will help your channel and your video content to be searchable, it is also very important that you know how to use the right tagging. It's not just the hashtag that will actually appear at the top of your video title, but it's more on the things that you are going to adjust in your YouTube studio. Tags are the keywords, and this you have to need another T. That is think. You have to think. What do you think are the keywords that your prospect viewers would search for? So for example, in my lesson, wikis and blogs, I suppose that my viewers would look for wikis and blogs, or maybe the viewers will just type for posting and sharing on wikis and blogs. You can also try typing on the search bar in YouTube so that preferences will come out, and you can use those preferences as part of your tagging keywords. The title, the thumbnail, and the tagging will actually help your content to be searchable around YouTube and even in Google search bar and other browsers. Another secret T is time. Time is very important. That is, you are going to give time, and you have to make it habitual in posting your content in YouTube. At least you will have a video once a week, especially when we are just growing our channel. Some will even have one video a day. But for me, who is in the teaching field, that is quite very difficult. So I choose to have once a week. If I have more time, then I could have maybe 2 or 3 videos a week. I said that it is habitual because I choose a specific time for posting. So usually post new videos on Mondays, and usually I post it at 6 in the morning. But if I have more content, I can have Wednesday as a follow-up. So Wednesday, and also if I still have more, I could have Saturday, and still I have it at 6 o'clock in the morning. That is my time preference. Aside from time, I also use another T, and that is target. Target is aiming at somebody. That is, for example, I am going to get the viewers looking for some TLE video content, or I am going to have this English lesson viewers. So you will have a specific target. Since I am focusing on video lessons, I am targeting teachers and learners who would need video presentations for lessons that might be very difficult for them, particularly in the grade 6 level. So you have to target your audience. For title, thumbnail, and tagging, you will badly need the YouTube Studio to fix all those things. But for timing and target, that all depends on your thinking. So it's all up to you. Growing up our channel is not really that easy. It takes so much time. So we have to be patient. It's not instant. There are times that you will feel it's very stagnant, but we have to wait for the right time. As long as you do what you can do. So I hope that you have learned something from me today. This is Teacher Jackie, and I am saying goodbye.